বাসুক গই তো আর একটু দেখো না হয় যাবে। Please,
Hear me? Can you?
have you started this meeting?
Not yet. Not yet. We will start at 11:30.
Oh,
11:30.
good morning, my sir.
Very good morning, Ji. पूरन लाल जी को नहीं मैं
इनका कोई आ रहे प्रोग्राम आ रहे हैं उनके।
अच्छा और साहब पीपल साहब कैसे हैं? पीपल साहब कैसे हैं?
Good morning, Maheshwari ji from Impal.
Good morning. Very good morning, Ji.
Good morning, Secretary.
Very good morning, Ji. हाँ yes, Maheshwariya. हाँ हाँ yes, it is on Zoom. It is on Zoom. Zoom. Today's meeting is on Zoom only.
My name is Maheshwar Garu.
Ji, I am J.K. Acharya from Cuttack, Odisha.
कटे तो बदलिया वीडियो
कपूर साहब ज्वाइन नहीं किए शायद। कपूर साहब ज्वाइन नहीं किए अभी तक। नो रिप्लाई आ रहा है उनका फोन पे।
चली जाए
बात हो रही किस पे? कुछ भी बात करो, नॉर्मल से बात कर रहे हैं। अच्छा और अनम्यूट करना हो।
तनेजा जी नमस्ते।
सर जी नमस्कार जी, सबको नमस्कार जी।
Now, during this period between the last meeting and this meeting, and all our soldiers on the borders who achieved martyrdom. So let us observe a minute's silence to pay homage to them. Please.
Lot of noise coming in between. Lot of noise coming.
Please be silent so that we can continue with the meeting. So, can I now start with the, hello, with the permission of the working president who is now presiding, while welcoming you to this meeting, I will wish to give you a little brief. See, in spite of all the odds due to Corona, we have been able to manage our affairs satisfactorily. We could not publish our magazine for 4 months. So we were publishing it online, but we could not publish hard copies because of the Corona.
ये बंद है खुला है?
But compensate all those who could not renew their subscription during this period. We have been providing them printed copies for the next 4 months. That is, from August to December, we have been providing printed copies of the magazines also to those also who could not renew their subscription because of the Corona. Now, see, due to Corona, we have suffered a setback. Our almost over 200 associations have not so far renewed their subscription, and similarly, individual members also, more than 1,000 could not renew their subscription so far. I request the secretaries and the vice presidents to pursue all those who could not subscribe to renew their membership, to renew their membership now. So, we have been working from our house. Only 2 staff is there who are working there from the office.
Can you hear me?
Just a minute, Mr.
Yes, we are hearing.
A call from Mr.
Can
Nanda
you-
is unable to join.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. So now I take up the first item. हाँ जी, नंदा जी आप ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं कर रहे? अरे नहीं यार, अभी देखिए 1 मिनट में भेज दो। ये नंदा जी को लिंक नहीं मिला है, so he is unable to join. I am just sending it the link. Just a minute. Let me send the link to Mr. Nanda.
হ্যাঁ দেখ যাবে আর বাবার ভিডিওটা করে অডিওটা
हाँ नंदा जी लिंक भेज दिया आपको। हेलो
वैश्वी जी मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल आ रही है जी, आपकी आवाज भी आ रही है, आपकी पिक्चर भी आ रही है।
थैंक यू।
हाँ, so now can I take up item number 1 of the agenda?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, see the confirmation of the minutes of the last meeting. The minutes were circulated to all the members, and I hope they have gone through the minutes.
Yes.
Now, can I seek their approval
yes.
of the minutes?
Approved.
Okay.
Approved. Yes,
Thank
confirmed.
you. Thank you very much. Thank you very
It
much.
may be confirmed.
Now the next item is next AGM. Now, see, we have got next AGM, that is 65th AGM, now आवाज बहुत आ रही है.
What are the persons making noise?
म्यूट करने को बोलेगा सबको, सबको म्यूट करने को बोलेगा.
See, 65th AGM is now due and we have got some legal obligations. Now, as per the rules, we cannot submit our income tax return unless the accounts are approved by the managing committee as well as by the AGM. Now, registrar of societies, they have laid down, they have instructed all the registered society associations and federations भाई सूर्य प्रकाश जी आवाज बहुत आ रही है, जरा म्यूट कर दीजिए माइक.
माइक उधर से म्यूट करवा दीजिए.
जहाँ से आवाज आ रही है उनके माइक से. So, as per legal obligations, we have to conduct our AGM.
मेरी अलमारी में 2 शॉलें टंगी हुई हैं, जो रंगदार है ना वो लाके मेरे कंधों पे दे दो.
अरे म्यूट कर.
Maheshwarji, we are not able to hear your voice.
Sorry, kindly mute yourself, sir. Mr. Maheshwari. Mr. Maheshwari, kindly mute yourself. Unmute. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. You can speak, sir.
Hello. So, see, 65th in the AGM, we are bound to hold before 31st of December as per the legal obligations. Mr. Railu, are you able to hear me?
We are able to hear, sir.
Okay. So, because of the restrictions of Corona, we cannot hold actual AGM. So I propose that somewhere in the end of the December, we hold AGM, virtual AGM. For that, I seek your cooperation. We will request our affiliated associations and the members to join online. Yes.
Sir, so much disturbance, sir. So much disturbance.
See, what can I do? The people are not keeping silent.
They should understand why.
No. Problem is I have muted everybody. I don't know. Backside somebody is speaking. Somebody has not got unmuted.
So, see, I seek your approval for holding 65th AGM virtually somewhere on 29th or 30th of December. Yes. Do you approve it?
We will hold it on 30th December, sir.
Yes. 29th or 30th?
30th only.
30th, okay. 30th December.
Okay.
So, are you agreeable?
Hello, Madhu sir.
Okay. So I seek approval of everybody. Mr. Chakravarti. Mr. Chakravarti. Hello, Mr. Bimalendu Chakravarti. So any objection to holding virtual AGM on 30th of December? Hello.
Hello, Madhu sir.
Yeah. बोलिए भैया जी. Let me have your approval. Is it approved?
Those who want to speak, they have to unmute their mic. They have to unmute their mic, please. Please unmute your mic and speak. Because
30th
See, we have
December.
to keep AGM before 31st of December. We can't postpone it beyond 31st of December. So 30th is the last day when we can hold it.
Sir, 30th of December of this month.
Yes, December. Yes, this is November. November going on.
सर दिसंबर 2020 का सर
30th of December 2020.
Tuesday.
30th of December 2020. So I request all of you.
As for Manipur, no objection.
Hello. Hello.
Water लेना ना.
So I request all of you to advise all our associations and members to join virtual AGM on 30th of December, for which we will send them the link in advance. Is it now approved?
Approved.
okay, it's okay.
Now,
Okay.
next is passing of accounts. The balance sheet I have put already circulated. Balance sheet I have already circulated, and most of you have approved it also. Is there any objection? Our balance sheet. So our balance sheet for 30 year ending 31st of March 2020 is approved. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the budget, our budget for the next, for 21-22. No, it is not 21, it is 2021. Our budget for 2021. Now, see, exercising all the restraints, we will be contain our expenditure during the year 2021 to 10,30,859. So 10,30,859 is the estimated expenditure for the year 2020-21. Our income, our expected income has gone down because of the corona, and it will be 8,06,625. Income will be 8,06,625. So we will be at a loss of rupees 2,30,024. Hello. So we will be at a loss of 2,30,234 during the year 2021, and this loss I propose to make good through donations. We have been receiving donations the past years to the tune of about 6 lakhs. This year I expect that after our all the setbacks, we will still be able to collect donations of 2,30,234 to make good the loss, for which I need cooperation of all of you. So far, as far as donations are concerned, from East and Northeast, the donations have been nil over the last few years. This year also, donations from North and East and Northeast are nil. So far, nil. So I request VPs, Vice Presidents, and the East and Northeast, and the secretaries and our members from that area to help us to get the donations from East and Northeast also. We have been getting donations from all other zones. Say even North Zone this year has come up. From South also we have received donations. From West also we have received donations. So only Northeast and East is remaining. So I request the VPs of East and Northeast also make efforts to get us donation, and all other VPs also are requested to help us in getting more donations so that we can make good the loss. So these are our accounts for the next year. So I put it to your vote. Do you pass it, or is there
Yes.
any questions, any objections? Kindly let me know. If you want the details, I can give you the breakup. Hello? Should I give you the breakup of expenditure?
No, not necessary, sir.
No need, not necessary, sir.
Not necessary.
We have all read it. We have all read it.
So I consider it passed.
Agree, agree.
Agree.
Okay. So kindly help us in collecting donations of 2,30,234 rupees. See, I'm very sure that our people will come up and help us out. So,
Hope for the best. Hope for the best.
yeah, well, we have been getting in the past, we will get this time also. Now, my agenda, I have already explained the performance during the COVID period. If there are any comments, kindly let me know. We have done our best. Now we have curtailed our expenditure. Now at present we are working on, instead of 4 staff, we are working only with 2 staff. But in the coming days, it will become necessary to engage 1 more staff. We are finding it difficult to work with 2 staff, so we will need 1 more hand in the coming days. Now, my problem is that at present we are working from home only, because our office is completely digitalized. Our records, accounts, everything is digitalized, except that we have to issue magazine in printed form. All other things are digitalized, and we are almost working paperless, except for publishing the donation, this magazine, monthly magazine. Now, in publishing monthly magazine, Mr. Surya Prakash is helping me by way of proofreading. I find his help to be very beneficial to me, and Mr. Subhash Chandra Sharma also is helping me at Delhi. When required, he comes, visits the office also. So we want more persons, more working hands at headquarters. Now, recently I have received an offer from Mr. Chab. He is General Secretary, RPWA Delhi. He has offered his services, and I seek your permission to give him a chance and induct him in the managing committee as member managing committee, if you approve it.
Okay, sir. Okay, agreed.
Is it agreed?
Agreed, sir.
It is agreed. Okay. So I hope that he will be able to help us working from home, and he has promised that he will be able to visit office also. Now, another issue is still several of our managing committee members have not paid their membership subscription.
Life membership.
Life members. So their subscriptions. Most of them have paid. Only few are remaining. So I request them to clear the dues. However, Mr. Norial has refused. He said he will not like to continue in the managing committee anymore. Similarly, Mr. S.P. Gupta from Jaipur, he has also expressed his willingness. According to him, he says that he has attained the age of 85 and he will not be able to continue. So now, as per the rules, those who have not paid the subscription, their membership subscription as managing committee members will automatically get deleted from the managing committee after the next AGM. We can continue them only up to the AGM, and if they do not clear their dues up to by AGM, 65th AGM on 30th of December, then automatically, I am sorry, we'll have to drop them. So this is all from my side. Now, my agenda is over. Now, any other items you wish to discuss, you can put up with the permission of the presiding chairman, with the permission of our working president, Mr. Kapoor. Any other issue you want to discuss? You can seek permission from Mr. Kapoor and raise it. So,
Hello.
Yes.
No issue.
Sir, can I speak from the general insurance?
Yes. Why not?
Yes.
See, your general insurance, your problem of family pension.
Yeah.
We had raised, and simultaneously we had raised our demand also for family pension, raising the family pension.
Yeah.
So we have received the reply of our demand. We had only demanded the two things. The family pension should be raised to 50% of the last pay. 30% we are already getting. Central government is already getting. So we have raised it to, we wanted 50%, which has been turned down by the pay commission also and subsequently by the government also, giving the reason that pay commission did not agree to it, therefore it cannot be. Now, in case of general insurance, we have represented your case, but so far we have not received any reply from the government. I request you to kindly send a RTI seeking status of the representation. You have sent and we have sent.
Okay.
Now another issue is that those who retired on 30th June or 31st of December were deprived of the advantage of the increment and the pay commission benefits. See, we have recently received a detailed letter from Ministry of Finance disallowing the issue on the basis that the judgment of the Madras High Court is in personam, not in rem. So we are again representing, pointing out that the judgment, Madras High Court judgment is in rem only, it is not in personam. That draft I will be putting up in the group in few days. See, so much of noise is there, I can't continue like this.
Everybody must mute.
They will unmute it and somebody is speaking in the background.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, anything else you want to tell?
No, sir, that is the main thing what we wanted.
We are already on it.
Maheshwar ji.
Under the cover of COVID, the government is not. No
Maheshwar
government
ji.
office is working.
Maheshwar ji.
Information in the banking sector.
Sir, Railu here.
They have
हाँ जी
agreed.
बोलिए.
Just I want to
Banking
speak
sector
on two
have
issues.
agreed that
हाँ जी बोलिए.
it should be family
Number one
pension
is,
go up to that 30%.
Sir, after death of the pensioner, and suppose if they are maintaining joint bank account,
हाँ.
as per Department of Pension and Pensioners letter dated September 2013, after death of the pensioner, if they are maintaining joint bank account, the wife should simply submit a simple letter telling that husband is expired, and she will submit copy of the death certificate and a copy of the Aadhaar, and automatically family pension will be sanctioned to the family. But now the banks are insisting for submission of Form 14 in spite of.
You see, Form 14, in any case, Form 14 is required to be submitted. Only thing is, she will not be required to open another account. Same account will continue, but Form 14 is a must for family pension.
Sir, joint account will be continued, isn't it not?
Yes, joint account will continue. Her name of the spouse who has died will be deleted. But Form 14 has got to be submitted.
But that letter says.
But then it will continue as a single account.
Sir, 2013 letter says those who are maintaining joint account, submission of 14 is not necessary like that.
No, it's not. Where it is said?
September 13, Department of Pension letter dated September 13.
September 13,
No, Mr. Yadu,
letter,
in any case,
as far as I remember, says that joint account will continue, name of the spouse who has died will be deleted, and pension will be credited to the same account, but subject to completion of the documents. The Form 14 is
Shall I read the content of the letter?
Okay, I will again refer to it. If it is like that,
Even on the pensioners
Maheshwari ji,
form number 14 clearly.
Sir,
Maheshwari ji,
sir, Maheshwari ji,
हाँ जी,
too many
now,
voices.
may I, whatever Raidu said, na, sir.
I am not able to hear any.
Too many voices.
So many voices,
Raidu
so
sahab
many.
says, na. Maheshwari ji, what Raidu sahab says, na, that order is there, sir. Form 14 is not necessary. Just simple form and death certificate. And Aadhaar card is new, that's why Aadhaar card. But that's all.
That's all. Okay. If the
That
banks
order is
are
there, sir.
okay, if the banks are not following it, you can send the specific complaints. And better it should be recorded on the pension portal.
Sir, Reserve Bank should issue instructions to all the banks.
See if the
Sir, that order is there.
yes, Mr. Railu, if the banks are not following the order, you send the specific complaints on the prescribed performer so that we can approach the Ministry of Pension.
Sir, another issue is, second issue.
See, so many voices are coming. I am unable to hear.
Sir, so much disturbance.
So much of a talking each other.
Members should mute their mics. They should put it on only when they have to speak.
Surya Prakash ji.
Number two, they should raise their hands. They should
Sir,
not
one second, I will clarify. We have already muted everybody. What they are doing is they are unmuting and they are allowing somebody in their family. Right?
Mr. Surya Prakash, please tell them anyone who wants to speak should raise his hand.
Surya Prakash ji. So much disturbance.
Sir, kindly hear me, sir. I have
So much of
muted everybody's mic. What they are doing is they are unmuting their mic. They are allowing their family members to speak from the backside. This is what is happening. They should not unmute unless they want to.
Kindly connect me to Maheshwari.
Yeah.
Maheshwari.
See, what I am telling you,
Ah.
if banks are not following the orders,
Ah.
kindly send us the specific cases on the pro forma so that we can approach Ministry of Pension for rectification, for redressal.
Sir, another issue also I want to bring to your notice.
Yeah.
Sir, those who opted for drawal of fixed medical allowance at the time of retirement, and suppose after that, if they want to join the central government health scheme, and the principal controller of defense account Allahabad letter dated 2014, it says that they will submit a letter to the bank requesting for stoppage of fixed medical allowance.
Yeah.
And that the bank, what they are doing, local banks, they have no power to stop the fixed medical allowance. They are sending the letter to the CPPC concerned. And that Allahabad letter says that the bank will stop the medical allowance from the following month, not the same month. So the pensioner has to wait for 1 month for obtaining central government health scheme card. Why they should not stop the medical allowance in the same month instead of following month? That is the problem we are facing here.
Have you sent any representation? Have you sent any representation?
I want to take up the issue with the medical.
Kindly take up at your level. Kindly take it up at your level, giving copy to the headquarters.
I will put a copy to you also, sir. Kindly you also pursue the matter.
At least you start the representation from your end. As Vice President, you can initiate. So first initiate from your end at your level and giving copy to us.
Okay.
And then we'll pursue from
I will take up the case with the principal controller Allahabad.
Yeah. And your secretary also should be activated to do it. Secretary Defense Civilian also should be activated to pursue the matter.
So I will also request Bhaskara to join me.
Yes, yes, I'll join with you, Mr. Railu.
Okay, Bhaskara. Oh, that's
so
also.
Now
Sir,
can we?
Maheshwari ji, on this day, 29th November 2018, our 63rd general body meeting was held at Visakhapatnam.
Okay. Good.
And it created history.
Congratulations.
Do you want us to hold another one? Do you want us to hold another one?
Yes, Railu had done a very good job.
Thank you.
Yalu, do you want us to hold another AGM there?
No, if Maheshwari ji permits me, I will bring it to the notice of my committee here. And if they give me green signal, again we will have one more meeting at Visakhapatnam.
Okay,
Oh,
we'll
yes.
certainly try.
But no, after Corona.
After Corona.
Yeah.
After Corona, first will be at Nagpur.
Yes, after Corona it will be at Nagpur. But at present we can't hold it at Nagpur or even at Delhi or anywhere else.
Mr. Maheshwari, as a corollary to this 65th AGM, I think we can hold 2 AGMs next year if the circumstances permit. One at Nagpur followed by Visakhapatnam.
Okay. Now I request Mr. Kapoor to give his closing remarks. Mr. Kapoor.
Thank you. Can you all hear me, please?
Yeah.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All the office bearers and the members, I have gone through the entire budget proposals as well as balance sheets and various problems being faced. I think about 2 months back, I had sent a letter of appreciation appreciating the efforts made by Mr. Maheshwari, accompanied by Mr. S.C. Sharma, to deliver the magazine through postal authorities rather than email. And the job they all did, along with the two staff members, were really commendable. Mr. Taneja, our MC member, very recently in one of his posts, has appreciated and desires others also to commend the efforts made by Mr. Maheshwari in getting through this hard time. I would use the word hard times. And how long we have to face this is little uncertain to say. In these situations, presently, Mr. Surya Prakash. Hello? Hello?
Hi, hearing, sir.
Yes. Presently, only Mr. Surya Prakash is looking after the proofreading job. Please kindly give me a little patient here. I have a proposal that a good part of the magazine contains letters, orders pertaining to various departments which are practically being looked after by our secretaries. So it would be of great help to Mr. Maheshwari if the secretaries concerned can go through those 2-3 pages involved for proofreading and correct them. This will reduce the load on Mr. Surya Prakash as well as the stress on Mr. Maheshwari. Then coming to relations, apart from what Mr. Maheshwari has said that our vice presidents and secretaries should make efforts, I feel that some of the members, including the important office bearers, they have neither contributed themselves anything, nor they have made efforts to get it from others. Getting money out of someone's pocket is not an easy task. It's a valiant task.
ఫోటో రావాలంటే
Pardon? Pardon, Mr.
ఎక్కడ
Yellow?
ప్రెస్ చేయాలి?
So, to raise donations, individual members should also make efforts to get it from others. And every MC member at least, and the office bearer, must make it a point that he has to subscribe something. Maybe a minimum of 1,000 a year or 500 a year. Because many of the associations, they have literally been doing it with the result that their funds have gone quite high. We should not only depend on hopes that the shortfall of 4 lakhs in the budget for 2021 will automatically be bridged. We have to make efforts. So apart from secretaries, vice presidents, individual members should also. We have got many members with us who are representing their associations. At least they can persuade them. I would not like to name the associations who have not come forward with a single penny plus. Mr. Realu has raised the issue of Form 14. What Mr. Maheshwari has said is the correct position, but in any case, that account subsequently be operated simply by the family pensioner only. Mr. Maheshwari may also consider if we can persuade the government to allow another name. Presently, we can only give the nominee. there may be many pensioners who at some stage of their lives may not be able to sign. So I think if another name is allowed, it is no harm. It is up to the family pensioner whom he wants to add on which he or she has got full confidence.
Kapoor Sahab.
That's all I have to say. I thank all of you, especially Mr. Surya Prakash, who has taken pains to create this, to make this VC a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I thank you, Mr. Kapoor, and all of you to join in this meeting and approve the agenda. Kindly now help us in making 65th virtual AGM a success by pursuing. Yeah.
Yes.
Maheshwariji, with the permission of Chair, I want to put some suggestions for the ensuing agenda, ensuing AGM meeting.
Okay.
One point is yourself. Please introduce yourself.
I am SP Kakkad. At present, I am speaking from Bangalore.
Okay. We are waiting your arrival at Delhi.
Yeah, thank you. So I just want to put 3 common points for the ensuing this AGM meeting. One, I had seen that a number of pensioner association affiliated with BPS is not receiving grantee aid in time. One thing. And second point is the life certificate. And third point is the implementation of this COVID vaccine in the next year. So how will be benefited? Is there any program? Is there any, we should make any representation in the, first, these points should be put up before the AGM. And then accordingly, AGM will approve it. Then accordingly, BPS will take the matter with our Honorable President and our this Secretary General take the matter. And for grantee aid, I see number of organizations still has not received any payment from the Government of India. So this point should also be bring before the SCOVA meeting also. I think that the SCOVA meeting will be held in the, as per the rules, they are required to complete 2 meetings in the financial year. So accordingly, these are my suggestions. Mr. Maheshwari knows very well.
Yes, I have noted. As far as granting aid is concerned, we are advised by the concerned Under Secretary that the entire policy is under review of the Finance Ministry. And unless the proposal is approved again, they won't be able to give us any granting aid.
As far as number of organization has not received granting aid for the 2021.
Previous year. Previous year also, several of the associations have not received. We are pursuing the matter. Now, as far as life certificate is concerned, last year we had represented Director EW that we were finding difficulties in recording biometric as well as the iris. There should be a provision for face recognition also, which is on trial basis. It as a pilot project, it has been launched this year. Now further we have requested that the unique ID authority should develop a software which any pensioner can download in his or her mobile phone and can through that can submit his or her life certificate from his own home. So we have been assured, we have been informed that Unit ID authority is working on it, and soon they may launch a software through which pensioners will be able to generate their own life certificate from their mobile phone. So this is the present position. We will be pursuing all the 3 items, and I have a request to make to Mr. Kakkar that he should now take active part in the organizational matters, and he is quite young. We are all old.
I'm on the same age.
No, you are the youngest.
You are the youngest. You are the youngest. So
Youngest among the
I will definitely contribute my services.
Yourself and Mr. Johri. I have requested Mr. Johri also to come forward so that we can have a replacement.
I support Sir Maheshwari.
Thank you, so kind of you. But our great Maheshwari and Mr. Kapoor is there. No, nothing to worry.
No, see, how long will be there?
So see, we are still learning from you. Nothing to worry.
So see,
this is a big question mark, Mr. Kakkar.
Yeah.
See, as soon as possible, kindly come forward. Both of you should come forward to help us.
Thank you for your advice, sir. So we'll see to it, sir.
No worries.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So thank you, everybody. Now I declare meeting to be closed, and then we meet on 30th of December in virtual AGM. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Maheshwari.
Yeah.
God bless all. God bless all.
Naidu, मैं भेज दूंगा लेटर आपको.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So kind of you.